Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best features iPhone 14 are introducing, action mode on iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. So how to use it, what exactly clarity, what is the stabilization, accuracy or ratio, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. First of all, open your setting, search here in the camera menu. Inside the camera menu here, I already make a several video regarding the camera related setting, which setting is the best for the recording point of view. But you can see here record video 4K at 60 frame per second, slow motion video 1080 pixel at 240 pixel, and record cinematic 4K at 30 per second. Now I go back here in the camera menu. Look at this here. So bottom of the screen several options are available, but we will discuss in this video just only video related information. So top of the screen here, if you on this one, so flash is on and off. So here second option, right hand the screen, one action mode is available. More light are required for the specific action mode. So this is action mode, and here clarity of like a 4.8K and 60 frame per second, 24 frame per second, 30 and 60. So this is the best setting for the action mode in your iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. So remaining video we will see some of the demo samples. After I'm on this setting, I record some of the video frames. See, this is action mode I on here and I running, but still clarity is quite good. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.